First door on the right. Go. Oh my gosh. I think here. This is the sauna. They have the Moroccan sauna and the whirlpool. Brother, where's the pool? Miss Ba? Miss the pool. Where's the pool? Pool. Yeah.
Swimming pool.
Yeah.
Outside.
Okay, thank you.
Here. Let's go.
Okay, thank you. And the sauna will be there? Sauna?
That's sauna, steam, jacuzzi.
Okay, thank you.
Hello guys, how are you? Good?